folks, this is Abel. I can't believe it, but we're looking at a live female elk right now, eating out of a geothermal hot spring at super volcano Yellowstone. Now normally we wouldn't be this close, but she's just been, she actually came up to this before we'd started recording. It's just been circling around, eating all of them. You can see right there, eating all the plants that are growing out of the water, which I would imagine would be very acidic, high in sulfur, and other minerals. I also learned that if buffalo and elk and other grazing animals here in Yellowstone eat too much in the greenery around geothermal areas, they can die of all the toxins because there's arsenic, there's extremely high mineral content, and they can do it for a little while. The body can handle it. But if they tried to eat this way for a whole winter, for example, for 6 months or something like that, they would die of toxicity. By the way, the reason this lake is here is because around 140,000 years ago, this place blew sky high, blew to smithereens. What you see around here, that is the lake, is the crater from that explosion. So you can imagine how big that must have been. And obviously you can see a lot of signs of geothermal activity all around. Each one of these pools is something that, you know, you might see an elk eating out of, but I wouldn't want to get close to. In fact, it would be illegal to do so because some of this, it looks like it's solid ground, but it's actually very thin crust that you could fall through quite easily and then boil alive and then be dissolved faster than you could possibly imagine. Sulfuric acid doesn't mess around. But anyway, volcanoes are really cool and not quite as scary as they sound. Of course, I don't say this lightly, it could go off at any moment. In fact, it seems like the Yellowstone supervolcano could somewhere in between every 600,000 and 700,000 years. And we're at 640,000 right now. But most humans I know don't live for 50,000 years, so most of us won't ever have to worry about it. And hey, if it goes off, we'll all be toast anyway, so you might as well come see it. Anyway, thanks for spending some time with us. My name's Abel James. That's the wonderful Allison. Check out abeljames.com as always for more. We'll see you next time.